Hello everyone. We will be like teaching you in this the basics of the like interiors. What we all the things you have to do for the interiors. The all the basic details you have to just specify while you are making an interiors for a room or bedroom or a washroom or a living space. All the interiors will be like covered up in this. So what kind of textures you need to apply, what will be the like the preciseness, how you can get the high quality rendering effects. So all this we will be covering up in this. So now first of all we will be making up a basic layout plan for a for a room bedroom we are designing. So we will be entering up the dimensions. So after entering up the dimensions, like a plane will be prepared up there. Okay, so on that plane we will be working on. Okay, sometimes your SketchUp might show you some troubles, but no need to worry, it's absolutely fine with it. And now we will be entering in the dimensions. Yeah, so it's done now. And now all we need is to make a reverse face of this. You already know why we do the reverse facing, because this is kind of stuff like a black line will be more visible or something, not that kind of stuff. It's because the most best, the quality you get like while you are rendering a thing or a window. So at that time there should be no trouble up there, so that's why we make all the objects in this kind of thing. Okay, so first of all we will be making up the walls. Basically we will be preparing up the layout plan for this bedroom, and then we will be like working on the interiors. So here I am creating up the walls, which is 125, and the dimensions which are being entered up here are in mm. So like if you are comfortable with mm, you can go with mm, or you can just go up with 4 inches, or you can just go up on with like 9 inches or something. But the walls in this are like near about 4 inches, 4.5 inches. So we will be going up with, as actually I'm making this drawing, I have selected the sample template as the mm. So here we are drawing the basic layout plan for this bedroom. Okay, so here it goes. Basically I have designed this earlier for one of my clients. Okay, so basically right now we will be like planning up the whole area out here. Okay, so here's the walls being made now, like so this is it. Okay, the walls are being completed completely. Now we will be like placing up like the doors and the other objects in. Okay, after making up all these walls. Okay, and the portion I am showing you, this portion will be kind of washroom for further use if we like want to, because in actually planned area we have used it as a washroom, and the front portion we have used it as balcony. Okay, so basically right now we will be like bifurcating the dimensions for the doors, where the doors will be there, where the windows will be there. Whenever you are working on the mm scale, try not to like get confused with the mm, or like you're working in the mm, then you have to just type in all the dimensions in mm. Otherwise it won't be any, there won't be any kind of issue if you create it in inches or something. But it would be good and even more efficient if you are making all the things in one particular dimension. So here it is. I'm here making a door, an open place. Okay, so from where you will be able to enter from room to the balcony. Okay, so here it is. Now we will be making a window with this one attached. Okay, so now entering the dimensions in. Okay, so here's the point. Okay, so now we will be like taking up all the points up here, okay, and like providing all the dimension for the windows, like it's some 1230. If sometimes it's get overscaled, it might be due to the dimensions which you have used earlier. They might be not that good, so we will be entering in the height now. It will be approximately 2890. So it's minimum, like, you know, which we actually keep for the ceiling height, okay. So here we go. Here will be one door, so we will be like pushing up this wall up to a certain limit, so after which a door comes. Yeah, so it will be 127, okay. So yeah, so the wall is being extruded up to 127. Yeah, that's it. Then we will be basically, after making the plan, you have to use all these tools, okay, just remember it. And now we are making up the door. So basic tool after making the plan will be your push pull tool, like which is in other language you call it as extrude tool, okay. So pressing the control key, like as I told you earlier, we can just get a, you know, a section moved up, okay. So it becomes a bit convenient while we are doing so, okay. So now we will be making up the walls up here, okay. So here will be one more door, so I will be entering up from top, or I will be like just providing in the dimension. So now we will be raising the window up to a certain height. It's 675. Yeah, so it's done. Now there will be the ceiling part, okay, which we will be doing later on, but we will be providing the beam portion because a door has to be blocked up after a certain height. So all those things will be done, and you can see right now the whole planning which we are doing is kind of, you know, it's kind of very going on very simply, but after this, believe me, it will be going to a next tangent, okay. So we will be doing some more things on this back wall as well as the front walls, okay. So, and even we will be importing some of the objects up here directly from 3D warehouse, okay, or I have made it earlier in few of our drawings, so I will be importing it directly from there, okay. So it totally depends on you. You will be getting a good 3D models for SketchUp, okay, like the bedrooms and the other things, okay. So thank you.